What if I told you that your eyes are working their hardest while you're asleep? Not while you're reading, driving, or staring at a screen, but during the quiet hours of the night when your body appears to be doing nothing at all. Here's a startling fact. More than 2.2 billion people worldwide live with some form of vision impairment. Even more surprising, health experts estimate that many of these cases could have been prevented or delayed through better lifestyle habits and proper nutritional support. Yet most people spend years worrying about glasses, aging, and genetics, without realizing that one of the most important opportunities to protect their vision happens every single night. While you sleep, your eyes enter a critical repair phase. Specialized cells in the retina begin clearing away waste, repairing damage caused by light exposure and oxidative stress, and preparing your vision for the next day. In many ways, your eyes recover during sleep just as muscles recover after exercise. But this overnight repair process depends on having the right nutrients available in your bloodstream. The question is, are you giving your eyes the support they need before bed? In this video, you'll discover a simple bedtime drink that may help nourish your eyes during their most important hours of repair and recovery. The science behind it may surprise you. Most people think their eyes rest when they sleep. In reality, nighttime is one of the busiest and most important periods for eye health. After hours of processing light, focusing on objects, and dealing with environmental stressors, your eyes finally have an opportunity to repair and recover. One reason this recovery period is so critical is that the retina is one of the most energy-demanding tissues in the human body. Throughout the day, it constantly converts light into electrical signals that allow your brain to create images. This process requires enormous amounts of oxygen and energy, while also generating oxidative stress that can gradually damage delicate eye cells over time. When you fall asleep, a remarkable repair process begins. Specialized retinal cells start removing waste products, repairing microscopic damage, and preparing the photoreceptors for the next day. This nightly maintenance helps preserve visual function and supports long-term eye health. Another key player is melatonin. Most people know melatonin as the hormone that helps regulate sleep, but it also acts as a powerful antioxidant. As melatonin levels rise during the evening, it helps protect eye tissues from oxidative damage and supports the natural repair cycle occurring inside the retina. At the same time, other antioxidant defenses become active, helping neutralize harmful free radicals that accumulated during the day. Together, these processes create what many experts consider a golden window for eye recovery. The nutrients available in your bloodstream during these hours may have a meaningful impact on how effectively your eyes repair themselves night after night. The first key ingredient in this bedtime eye health drink is turmeric, specifically its powerful active compound known as curcumin. If oxidative stress is one of the biggest threats to your vision, curcumin may be one of your eye's most valuable allies. Every day, your eyes are exposed to light, environmental pollutants, and normal metabolic processes that generate unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules create oxidative stress, a form of cellular damage that gradually affects the retina, the delicate tissue at the back of the eye responsible for converting light into visual signals. Over time, this damage has been linked to age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration and other vision problems. Curcumin has attracted significant scientific attention because of its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Researchers have found that it may help neutralize harmful free radicals while reducing inflammatory processes that can damage sensitive eye tissues. For this reason, some scientists refer to curcumin as a cellular firefighter, helping calm the inflammatory reactions that contribute to long-term retinal stress. Studies have also suggested that curcumin may help protect retinal ganglion cells, the specialized nerve cells that form the optic nerve and carry visual information from the eye to the brain. Maintaining the health of these cells is essential for preserving vision as we age. However, there is an important catch. Curcumin is naturally difficult for the body to absorb. On its own, only a small amount reaches the bloodstream. This is where black pepper becomes essential. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which can dramatically increase curcumin absorption. Together, turmeric and black pepper create a much more effective combination, allowing more of curcumin's beneficial compounds to become available to the body. This simple pairing transforms turmeric from an ordinary kitchen spice into a potentially powerful supporter of retinal health, especially when consumed as part of a consistent long-term routine. The second powerful addition to this bedtime eye support drink is lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients often referred to as the eye's natural sunglasses. Although they receive far less attention than vitamin C or E, these specialized carotenoids play a critical role in protecting vision, especially as we grow older. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in exceptionally high concentrations within the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. This tiny area allows you to read, recognize faces, drive safely, and see fine details clearly. Because the macula is constantly exposed to light and oxidative stress, it requires ongoing protection. One of the most important jobs of lutein and zeaxanthin is filtering harmful blue light before it reaches sensitive retinal cells. In many ways, they function like built-in sunglasses, helping reduce the damage caused by years of exposure to sunlight, digital screens, and other sources of high-energy visible light. At the same time, they act as antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that can accelerate cellular aging inside the eye. Research has consistently shown that people with higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in their eyes tend to have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss among older adults. Maintaining adequate levels of these nutrients may help support long-term retinal health and preserve visual function as the years pass. Unfortunately, many older adults do not consume enough lutein and zeaxanthin through their daily diet. Since the body cannot produce these compounds on its own, they must come from food or supplements. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are among the richest natural sources. Other foods containing smaller amounts include broccoli, peas, corn, egg yolks, and certain colorful vegetables. When consumed regularly, especially alongside a source of healthy fat, lutein and zeaxanthin can be absorbed more efficiently and delivered to the retina, where they help strengthen the eye's natural defense system night after night. The third ingredient in this nighttime eye support formula is saffron, a spice that many people know for its distinctive color and flavor, but few recognize for its potential benefits to vision. In recent years, saffron has attracted growing scientific interest because of two powerful compounds it contains, crocin and quercetin. These natural carotenoids appear to have unique effects on retinal health. The retina is constantly exposed to light, oxidative stress, and age-related wear and tear. Over time, this can contribute to a decline in visual function. Researchers believe that crocin and quercetin may help protect delicate retinal cells by reducing oxidative damage and supporting the normal function of tissues involved in vision. Several studies have produced encouraging findings. In research involving individuals with early age-related eye changes, saffron supplementation was associated with measurable improvements in retinal performance. What makes these findings particularly interesting is that many eye health interventions focus mainly on slowing decline, while saffron has shown potential to support the function of existing retinal cells. Scientists also believe that saffron may help support the retinal pigment epithelium, a layer of specialized cells responsible for nourishing and maintaining the photoreceptors that allow us to see. Since much of this repair and maintenance activity occurs while we sleep, providing the body with supportive nutrients before bedtime may be especially beneficial. The amount used in most studies is relatively small. Typically, around 15 to 20 milligrams of saffron per day, or just a few saffron threads, has been enough to provide the active compounds being studied. While saffron is not a miracle cure, it represents another promising tool that may help support healthy vision and retinal function as part of a consistent long-term eye care routine. The fourth important component of this bedtime eye support routine is something surprisingly simple: melatonin and a warm glass of milk. Most people think of melatonin only as the hormone that helps them fall asleep, but its role in the body goes far beyond regulating the sleep-wake cycle. Scientists have discovered that melatonin is also a powerful antioxidant. In fact, eye tissues contain a high concentration of melatonin receptors, suggesting that this hormone plays an important role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. During the night, as melatonin levels naturally rise, it helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage delicate retinal cells and contribute to age-related vision problems. This nighttime increase in antioxidant activity is especially important because many of the eye's repair processes occur while we sleep. The retina spends the day exposed to light, environmental stress, and metabolic activity. At night, it enters a recovery phase, and melatonin appears to support this natural maintenance process. Warm milk may help enhance this effect because it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and eventually melatonin. This is one reason warm milk has long been associated with relaxation and better sleep. By supporting the body's natural melatonin production, it may help create an environment that encourages both restful sleep and overnight eye recovery. While no single ingredient can guarantee perfect vision, the combination of melatonin's antioxidant protection and the tryptophan found in warm milk may provide valuable support for the eyes during their most important hours of repair and renewal. Another often overlooked ingredient in this bedtime drink is Ceylon cinnamon. While it may seem like a simple spice added for flavor, its potential role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels could be important for long-term eye health. To understand why, it's important to know that elevated blood sugar can damage some of the smallest and most delicate blood vessels in the body, including those that nourish the retina. Over time, repeated blood sugar spikes may place stress on retinal tissues and contribute to vision problems, especially in people with diabetes or prediabetes. One process involved is called glycation. This occurs when excess sugar molecules attach to proteins and other structures in the body. As glycation accumulates over the years, it can contribute to cellular aging and damage, including within the eyes. Researchers believe this process may play a role in age-related changes affecting vision. Ceylon cinnamon has attracted attention because studies suggest it may help support healthy glucose metabolism and improve the body's response to insulin. While cinnamon is not a substitute for medical treatment or a healthy lifestyle, adding a small amount to a balanced diet may help promote more stable blood sugar levels. Including a modest amount of Ceylon cinnamon in a bedtime drink may therefore offer two benefits: enhancing flavor and supporting overnight metabolic balance. Combined with healthy eating habits and regular medical care, it can be another small step toward protecting the delicate tissues that help you see clearly every day. Now that we've explored the key ingredients, let's put everything together into a simple bedtime golden milk recipe designed to support your eyes during their overnight repair cycle. Start with 1 cup of warm whole milk or unsweetened full-fat coconut milk. Add 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder, a small pinch of black pepper to improve curcumin absorption, 2 or 3 threads of saffron, and half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. If desired, you can also include a source of lutein and zeaxanthin, such as a small amount of cooked spinach or a quality supplement recommended by your healthcare provider. Warm the milk gently over low heat and stir thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined. Avoid boiling the mixture, as excessive heat may reduce the effectiveness of some delicate compounds. Once prepared, allow it to cool slightly before drinking. For best results, consume the drink about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This timing may help ensure that beneficial nutrients are available in the bloodstream as your eyes enter their natural nighttime recovery phase. A few precautions are important. This drink is intended to support overall eye health and should not be considered a treatment for any medical condition. Individuals taking medications, managing chronic illnesses, or those with allergies to any ingredients should consult their healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. When combined with healthy sleep habits and a balanced diet, this simple nighttime ritual may help provide your eyes with valuable nutritional support night after night. Even the best eye-supporting nutrients may struggle to do their job if certain bedtime habits are working against you. In fact, 4 common evening mistakes could quietly interfere with your eye's natural overnight repair process. The first is alcohol. While many people view an evening drink as a way to relax, alcohol can increase oxidative stress and reduce the body's antioxidant defenses. It may also disrupt sleep quality, limiting the restorative processes that normally occur during the night. The second mistake is consuming coffee, energy drinks, or other caffeinated beverages too late in the day. Caffeine can remain active in the body for hours, making it harder to achieve deep, restorative sleep. Because many of the eye's repair mechanisms are linked to healthy sleep patterns and natural melatonin production, poor sleep may reduce the effectiveness of overnight recovery. The third mistake is drinking sugary beverages before bed. Soft drinks, sweetened teas, and sugary juices can cause blood sugar spikes that place additional stress on blood vessels throughout the body, including the tiny vessels that nourish the retina. Over time, repeated exposure to elevated glucose levels may contribute to age-related damage. Finally, many people make the mistake of providing no nutritional support at all before bedtime. While this doesn't mean everyone needs a special drink every night, it is worth remembering that the eyes perform important maintenance work while you sleep. Without adequate nutrients available in the bloodstream, the body may have fewer resources to support these natural repair processes. Avoiding these 4 habits and replacing them with healthier evening choices may help create a better environment for long-term eye health and vision protection. As we've seen, supporting your eyes during sleep may be simpler than many people realize. Key ingredients such as turmeric and curcumin, lutein and zeaxanthin, saffron, warm milk, and Ceylon cinnamon each offer unique benefits that may help protect retinal cells, support healthy vision, and promote the eye's natural overnight repair process. However, the most important factor is not any single ingredient, it's consistency. Eye health is built over years, not days. Just as vision problems rarely appear overnight, meaningful improvements in long-term eye support require patience and regular healthy habits. Drinking a nutrient-rich bedtime beverage once or twice is unlikely to create noticeable changes, but making it part of a consistent routine may help provide ongoing support for your eyes. It's also important to set realistic expectations. Research on many of these nutrients suggests that measurable benefits often take time to develop. In some studies, participants use these compounds consistently for 3 to 6 months before significant improvements were observed. The goal is not an instant result, but long-term protection and support. If you found this information helpful, let us know in the comments below. Have you ever tried golden milk before bed? Or do you already include any of these ingredients in your daily routine? We'd love to hear your experience. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest evidence-based health and wellness videos. Your eyes work hard for you every day. Give them the support they deserve every night.